Hello everyone, welcome to the Vedantu guys. So today I am going to discuss about the very important question that is from the quadratic equation guys, and this question is important for the class 10th student, right? And according to this question we have to find out the b square minus 4c, and one information is given in this question: the roots of the equation are two consecutive integer, right? So what is the equation here? X square minus bx plus c equal to 0, right? Since the two consecutive integers are roots, right? Roots of the equation are two consecutive integer, then we can consider it as a let roots are alpha and alpha plus 1, because as we know that the two consecutive term difference is 1, right? So after subtracting you will get the difference 1, right? So since the root of the equation are the consecutive integers, so we have alpha and alpha plus 1, and according to the nature of the roots we know that sum of roots equal to minus b by a, right? So what is the general form of the quadratic equation guys? You know that x square plus bx plus c. So we can consider it as a what is the coefficient of x square, what is the b coefficient of x, and c equal to constant, right? So sum of roots, and according to the roots alpha and alpha plus 1 we can let and we can take, right? And alpha plus, so we can add both the roots here, and alpha plus 1. And what is the value of b in the equation? So you can compare the general form, and what will be the value of b equal to minus b, right? So minus b by, and what is the value of a? Because there is no coefficient is present, so you can take 1 as a coefficient of the x square, right? So what is the coefficient of x square equal to a? So what is the value of a equal to 1. So alpha plus 1 equal to, you can write here 2 alpha plus 1 equal to minus b, minus into minus 1 equal to plus b guys, right? So we can write here, this is the value 2 alpha plus 1 equal to b, and 2 alpha equal to, we can write here the b minus 1 guys, right? Are you getting my points? And alpha equal to we can write here b minus 1 by 2. Are you getting my points guys? So we can suppose it is a first equation, right? And according to the second nature of the roots guys, we know that the product of root equal to constant by a, product of root equal to c by a, right? So what will be the value of a, and what will be the value of c? A is the coefficient of x square, so a equal to 1, and c equal to c, because what is the value of the c present in the equation? C, right? And we can multiply x into x, alpha into alpha plus 1 equal to c by 1 equal to, we can write here the alpha into alpha plus 1 equal to c guys, right? So alpha into alpha plus 1 equal to c, and we can write here the alpha b minus 1 by 2, alpha equal to, we can write here the b minus 1 by 2, right? By 2, okay, and it will becomes alpha plus 1, we can write here b minus 1 by 2 plus 1, right? Are you getting my points guys? Equal to c. and when we take the common from the both the terms, and we can write here the 1 by 4 in the outside, and b minus 1 we will get here, and after taking the LCM you will get the b minus 1 plus 2, b minus 1 plus 2. So we can write here into the b minus 1 plus 2 equal to b plus 1, right guys? Are you getting my points, guys? Okay, so and what is the formula b minus a minus b into a plus b? We know that a minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square. So we can write here b square minus 1 equal to, and when 4 is in the LHS, 4 is present in the division. So when we said from 4 the RHS to the LHS to the RHS, so it is converted into the multiplication. So we can write here the b square minus 1 equal to 4c, guys. B square minus 1 equal to 4c, and then after we can write here, and when we take this 4c into the RHS to LHS, so its sign become opposite, and b square minus 4c and minus 1 goes to the LHS to the RHS, so it will convert the 1. So we can write here b square minus 4c equal to 1. So option D is the correct answer, guys. I hope you are getting very well. So bye bye, take care, see you in the next class. Best of luck, guys.